Come on. Good morning, my friends. It's been a little bit. The last video I did was actually over a week ago, and we've had that much rain, and it's just been horrible. So I'm going to go out today to the harbour in Brunswick. I don't normally go there really, every now and then, but I thought, you know what, I'm going to give it a go today. So I'm hoping for some big chunky bream, but I'm happy with anything because I'm out and about and it's going to be a beautiful day. So stick with me and I'll see you soon. Bye. Alright friends, first cast. I reckon we should go. Just seeing over there. Don't normally have great luck here at the harbour, but today might be the exception to the rule. I've got some two nice big bream underneath the pier sort of thing, but never much else. Oh, we have nibbles, okay. Well, nibbles are always good. So water's not so dirty anymore, which is great. Oh, there's a pickup. It's great. I love this time of day. Not many people. The world's still calm. Yeah, definitely my favourite. Whoa, that's crazy. The bait fish going nuts. Look at them all. Wow. That's cool. What the hell is that? Oh, what was that? Try to rip it. Yep, it's just a little one though. Little one, right? Just a little bit. Little one. That was awesome. Come on. Yeah, baby. Come on. Yes. He's come off. And he's come off. There you go. Nice one. Yeah. Alright, first one for the day. Oh. Nice one. We're going to measure that one. So good. Yeah. Nice one. Cat's still going crazy. What are you doing? Are you playing with your foot? Are you mad? Are you mad? Ah, you're hilarious. Why are you biting your own foot? Why are you biting your own foot? Something was hanging onto it. Yep, right there, little brain. There you go. Nice. Might not be quite legal. No, it's not legal. Okay. You can go straight back in there. Ready? Yeah. Right, we're going to have another go right here. Why not? Yep. I've got my drag set to tight, that's why it's not screeching. Yep, that's a bit of a better one. Legs upside down. Good spot. Yeah, mate. He's not happy. He's not happy. Not happy, Jan. Another one. Little baby. Ready? Right. Go on. Alright, let's set it to not so tight, but probably better around here. It's too much stuff that it could drag me under. Boats and ropes. Yeah, snibbles right there. Heaps of... Another one. That's a bit better. Might actually measure that one. Might be just a little. Oh, nah, I don't think I'll even bother. Nah, he's not. Good spot though. Pussycat. Pussycat still following me. Psst, 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 psst. What you doing? What? Oh, what? Oh, you're so cute.
Oh my goodness, how cute are you? I think she's following me because I stink like fish and bait. If I was a cat, I'd follow me too. I'll see you later. I'll see you later, alligator. You gonna come with me? What? Meow. You coming?
Alright, I got one more spot up my sleeve, so I'm going to head back to New Brighton before I go home, and yeah, stay tuned, maybe we can get something else, because today was good, but you know, you just want that little bit more. Yeah, I want that little bit more. So yeah, let's have a go, and stay tuned. Bye.
So I've been down this bridge before, and got a nice big fat brimbo. So I'm going to have another look, depending on the tide, how much room we've got to move down there. That looks is. Ah, good one. Yeah. Awesome. Oh my gosh. Problem about being under a footbridge. A wooden footbridge. But the noise. Come on. Come on. Yep. Holy cow balls. Oh, don't go over there. Oh, he's gone over there. The mangroves. Oh, shit. Oh, he's off. Frick. Damn those mangroves. Gah. Oh, he's a good one too. Snagged. That's not snagged. That is not snagged. You know what? He's stuck under or something. It feels like he's really heavy. It's because it's a freaking huge Bream. Oh my gosh, he's freaking huge. Okay, stop, buddy. Holy shivers, he's huge. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, he's huge. What the heck? Holy shivers. Wow. Okay, let's measure it. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. She's amazing. Oh my god. Oh yeah, he's beautiful. Oh my goodness. Alright. Awesome. There you go, buddy. There you go, little buddy. Let's go. And he's gone. Wow. Awesome. Snag. Yep. Poo. Yep. Oh, come on. Yep, that's a line break. Damn it. That sucks. Yep, all the way. Leader and all. Bummer. Rereading time. Uh-oh. I think that's where the snag was. It's that same snag. It's the same snag. Yep. Oh, you. Yep, same snag. Yep. And that concludes the session. I am not rereading. Man.